Vektus, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Can you maybe introduce your company a little bit?
Yes, I'm from Vektus, and we are 55 employees, 4 offices, all in Denmark. We have international clients, but all connected to a company in Denmark. Yeah, and we are special, kind of special because we don't make any apps ourselves.
Okay.
So we are 100% focusing on the consulting business. So, yeah.
And do you have a specific industry focus? Or?
Yeah, we are focused on the manufacturing and project company and trading and service company.
Yeah.
And that's because the business central is very strong in all these areas. And we don't make any apps, so we concentrate on using the standard.
Clear.
Yeah.
Hey, and you're a member of Companial already for how many years?
Yeah, actually since the company started in 13, so we have been member of Companion all our life. So yes.
And what is the most important reason why you became a member?
There's the licensing. We have to take care of the licensing, and Companion do that for us. And also. When we have Companial, they translate everything so that Microsoft says, so we understand it. And if we have some issues about special cases or rules, and then we can ask Companial about that, and then they know who to talk to in Microsoft.
So we bring you closer. We explain. We prioritize the information.
Yes.
And we also bring you in contact with Microsoft.
Yeah, and you bring us also in contact with Microsoft. So it was actually a Companion who made the connection about the reskilling program, where we were at the pilot program, but the reskilling, it was Companion that brought that to us. So yeah.
And how has it been for you?
Yeah, it's been very good. So we in the first round we took 4 consultants, and 3 of them are still.
Oh, wow.
And the last one is still in the channel.
Okay.
Yeah, and we have been also using it after that. And we are planning to use it again in next year.
Wow, so very good. So you're growing fast?
Yeah, we are growing around between 10 and 20% every year.
Oh, so, very nice. Yeah. And if you look at the membership, are there any other benefits that you really appreciate about it?
Yeah, because we are this Danish-based company, but we have international clients.
Yeah.
So we have clients where we are doing implementation in a lot of other European or worldwide companies, and then we use Companial to help us finding local partners that can take care of rules and maybe special needs in these countries.
So you can leverage the community of Companial to do local implementations or local support for certain clients that are, further away or where you don't have the feet on the street yourself.
Yes, the Companial help us finding a local partner that can speak the local language and also taking care of special needs in that country. Yeah.
Would you recommend Companial to other partners?
Yes, I will recommend the Companion to other partners.